In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a fire on a grill. So please stay tuned and watch the video through. So the very first thing you want to do, you want to move all the charcoal from the grate, and you want to make sure the ash is completely out the grill. So the very next thing you want to do, you want to open up the grill vents on the sides. They should be completely open so that air can get through to the charcoal. And as you're cooking, you can also adjust them, okay? So remember, the air vents have to be completely open. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to put the charcoals in here, and you're going to try to make a triangular to like a pyramid formation, because when you light it from the bottom, it's going to heat from the bottom to the top. Match light charcoal, they require no lighter fluid, and these are so easy to light. But the only bad thing about these are that they don't stay lit very long, so you have to get your food done within 30 to 40 minutes. So you want to make sure that you light the fire in 3 different spots. Here I have some wonderful fire starters and a lighter. Like I said before, you don't need no lighter fluid. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own fire starter. But for now, just take a look at how I do it. 3 different spots. Alright, so it's going to take about 10 to 13 minutes until the charcoal turns white to grayish. We're going to need it to have a red coloring, so this is our indication that we're ready to grill. So we're going to come back in 10 to 13 minutes. So I just want to let you guys and girls know that I made a mistake, and I want to let you guys know what it was. So your grill comes with 2 cooking grates, and the little cooking grate is supposed to go in first, and then you're going to build your pyramid on top of it, okay? So I got caught up, forgot. So remember, the bottom cooking grate goes back in it after you clean it, and then you build your pyramid on top of it. The coals are white and gray. There's some glowing effect at the bottom. So now what you want to do, you want to take your tongs, and you want to try to make it level across the grill so that your food is cooking evenly. Okay. And once that is done, you can go ahead and put your grill on top. Okay. More charcoal. I could have added a few more, but since I put the charcoal in there already, we're gonna let the grill sit for like another 3 minutes, and we'll be ready to put our food on there. But a little note I want to let you know that it's very important that you wait until your coals are white gray with the glowing effect happening, because if you put your food in there too early, you can risk that your food is gonna taste like petroleum. You don't want that nasty grilled taste in your food. So we're gonna come back here in about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, put our food on the grill, and we're gonna show you how that looks like. So our chicken is almost done, and there's just a few little things I want to mention before I end this video. If you want the grill to die by itself, you're gonna have to close all the air vents with the lid on top. So close the air vents on the side and close the air vent on the actual lid. Also, if you have thick meat, you want to put more charcoal in there, and the charcoal should be higher to the cooking grill on the side that the thick meat is going to be on. If you have like vegetables or anything that's easily to cook, you want to make sure the size of the charcoal is a little lower, that you don't burn your veggies or light meat. So I hope everyone liked this video. If you can just please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that would be so amazing. So let me know how your food turned out, leave a comment, and stay tuned.